Dubbed Project Mawingu, the Kenya Airways rights issue will undoubtedly test the depths of the capital markets at a time it's still recovering from a dip experienced last year. The issue will hold the record of the largest secondary cash call at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The minimum subscription required for the issue to go ahead is 70%, and some analysts said the airline would struggle to persuade retail shareholders to take up the rights due to the high interest rates in Kenya.
You really have to do a lot of due diligence in terms of analyzing the company's shareholder wealth creation process over the last 5 years or 6 years,
The 20.7 billion shillings rights issue is part of a bigger share of 300 billion shillings that KQ requires to fund its aircraft financing needs. Some 182.6 billion shillings will be borrowed from banks to buy the planes, while it hopes to generate 12.5 billion shillings internally.
The first line is delivery loans for the aeroplanes that we're actually going to buy. We're going to borrow money from banks for $2.2 billion and buy the aeroplanes.
In the business plan, KQ plans to increase its fleet from the current 34 to 107 in the next 10 years, which would enable them to effectively serve the 115 destinations during the period. The first phase of the plan will see the airline acquire 68 aircraft by 2016, with the rest of the fleet being later on.
If you look at our plan, it's a long-term plan, and I think we shouldn't be worried by short-term issues. That's why we decided to go ahead and announce the rights issue at this particular time.
KQ's expansion focuses on securing its African presence and extending its wings to the Far East skies, where it believes it has a competitive advantage. Michael Karanja for KTN Business Today.